Everybody wants to know if the Bitcoin cycle is in. In today's video, I will dive deeper into different Bitcoin charts, and I have to tell you guys, some of them are very accurate. So if you want to know more, you need to watch the full video. If you like my videos, hit the like and subscribe button. I will appreciate it. And let's go to the first chart. Here we can see the historical social metric risk. And what we see here is the blue line is the Bitcoin price. And the red line is the amount of people that are subscribing to crypto channels, views, also on Twitter, following analytics and exchanges and layer ones. And what we can see in the previous bottom of 2019, we can see that the social risk was at the lowest point around 0.1. And again, at the Black Swan event, it was the same. And look at the historical metric risk right now. We are right now at the bottom. And I think personally that it is a very good sign. Why? Because we can buy and accumulate Bitcoin for a cheaper price. And this means that we are not, I'm not saying that we cannot go any lower, but the bottom is almost in. And also if we check out the other charts, we can see a lot of more information about the bottom of Bitcoin of previous cycles. So that is also something I want to check out with you later on. What we can see here is also is the top of the previous cycles. And what we can see is here is when the social metric is very high, I would say above 0.8, we need to look out for maybe a potential top. And that's what we can see in the previous of 2021 and 2022. Also, and when we look at 2018, we see the same, exactly the same. It goes above 0.8. I'm not saying 0.8, but what we can see here is 0.8. This way goes way higher because a lot of more people are inside this cycle. And also here is nobody is looking on YouTube, Twitter, or exchanges or anything on social media. And everybody who was still here during the previous cycles made a lot of money. So I think to you, congratulations. And let's check out the second chart. This is the Bitcoin price colored by risk levels. And each color is not displaying a potential bottom, but it gives a sign of a potential buy opportunity or sell opportunity. When the color is deep blue, it gives a sign of potential good buy opportunity. And when it is dark red, you should take action to sell. What we see, guys, we are right now in the light green color. And when we look at the previous cycles, we check out 2020 and 2021, we see before the hype started, we see a light green area. And it's the same for 2017. When it became yellow, we see light green. And we see more times light green, but it's just, it's not that long. And when we see a very long light green line, we see it potentially switch to yellow. And that's what we want to see, because we are right now acclimating myself already for since January Bitcoin. And what we see is we are very close, guys. We are close to yellow and red. And yeah, what can I say? If you're still here, I have a lot of more charts to show to you, and this will give a very good sign of a potential bottom. So keep on watching and let's check out the next chart. Last month in September, we saw a lot of things going on Twitter, and they talked about, hey, we see a lot of Septembers on red. But this was the first, not the first, but the first since 7 years that became a green month. We increased the price of 4%. And when we check out previous Septembers that were green, we see that the upcoming 3 months were also green. Like this one, 6% of September, 14% October, 6% November, and December 30%. And the same here, 2.5% in September, 32% in October, 21 November, 13% December. And there was only one time in September green and not 3 upcoming months also green. That was in 2012, but the market at that moment was way different. So I'm not saying that the upcoming 3 months will be green, but there is a high chance that the history will repeat itself. I was scrolling on Twitter and I saw this very interesting pattern. When we check out the 2018 top, we see it here. We can see a cup and handle pattern, and also what happens after was the next bull run. And when we check out the 2021-2022 some kind of the same pattern, like a cup and handle. And we are right now sitting here, but what will happen next? Will it be the break off of Bitcoin? Like, will it take off in the next coming months? Because we can also see here a little bit of a kind of a dip to below, but after that we go upwards. And what we see here is we saw the dip already, so it's the only way upwards. We will see it in the coming months. If you like my videos, guys, hit the like and subscribe button, and I see you in the next one. Bye!